Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to replace your Ring Alarm Motion sensor batteries, which we've got right here. So this is the second generation device, and you may have it sitting somewhere or you may have it on the wall. What you're going to see is there's a little seam right here on the motion sensor itself. So if you've got this on a wall and you can't move the bracket, that's okay too. What you need to do is push up from the bottom to push this off the bracket. So I'm just going to push up, and that breaks it off the bracket, and now you have access to the batteries, which are right here. So all you need to do now is just remove the two batteries. It takes two AA batteries, so we just take those out and we get two new batteries. We're going to put them back in, so you want to make sure the negative side is on the side of the spring, so we're going to put that other one in there as well. Now we've got our two batteries back in, and what I want you to see is that on the Ring motion sensor itself, you've got two little tabs here. That is how this back plate locks into the motion sensor. So now all we're going to do is, even if you've got this on a wall, you're going to place your motion sensor, you're going to align it with those tabs, and then all you're going to do is then push down from the top. That's going to click it in place, and now your Ring Alarm motion sensor batteries have been replaced. You can test it to make sure the batteries are working by just clicking right here, and this is going to light up. You can see that yellow light. That means that we've got the batteries installed, and this should populate on the Ring app in 30 seconds to a minute. That will confirm that you've got the batteries replaced for your Ring Alarm motion sensor. So thank you for watching this video on how to replace the batteries on your Ring Alarm motion sensor. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.